Here's what we're going to create today. A fully responsive Halloween-themed hero section with captivating parallax animations and a discount pop-up that appears when the main button is clicked. It's all perfectly scheduled for the Halloween season. Let's see how it's done. First, let's install the Depicter plugin. Once installed, we go to the Depicter dashboard and open the Templates section. From here, I'll go into the Halloween category. You'll find ready-made templates for hero sections, pop-ups, slide-ins, and even notification bars. Let's preview this hero section. It looks fantastic. Clean design, smooth animations, and it's fully responsive on mobile and tablet. Let's import it. Since I want the hero section to appear right under my website's header, I'll slightly reduce the heading font size and move the text lower. Now, let's check tablet and mobile view by clicking their icons. Perfect. The design looks great across all devices. Next, I want the main button, Unlock the Spells, to trigger my discount pop-up. I'll select the button, go to the options, and add a custom CSS class here. Let's call it Halloween. That's done. Let's hit Publish. Now I'll enable slider visibility scheduling, so this hero section shows up 2 weeks before Halloween and stays live for a few days afterward. I'll set the start and end dates. Click Schedule Now, and we're good to go. Back in the Depicter dashboard, under Templates to Halloween templates, I'll choose a pop-up design that matches. Again, it's fully responsive on mobile and tablet, so let's import it. Here, I'll quickly customize the discount percentage text and coupon code. Then I'll publish the pop-up and go into Configure. Inside the Triggers tab, I'll enable Click, and in the CSS selector box, I'll type .halloween. Remember, you must place a dot before the class name so it works correctly. Save and publish. Now from my home page, I'll click Edit with Elementor. Add a container at the top, drop in the Depicter widget, and select our Hero section slider. In the Advanced tab, I'll add a negative top margin so it sits perfectly under the site header. Publish. And here's the final result. A stunning Halloween hero section with smooth parallax effects, making the visuals feel alive. Clicking Unlock the Spells instantly shows the discount pop-up. Both the hero section and the pop-up look amazing on desktop, tablet, and mobile. The responsiveness is flawless. That's it for today's tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Have a spooky and creative Halloween.